is headquartered here?
Yep. I believe he was. Welcome to Adams Solar Rides Electric Bike Tour Shop, located at the Freight House Shops in Station Square in downtown Pittsburgh. We offer electric bike tours of the city for up to 10 riders at a time, every day of the week. Call our tour shop phone at 412-495-6374 to schedule your next tour today. We have these beautiful iZip Zumas outfitted with fenders, racks, and lights. So if you want to do the sunset tour, we can go in the evening. And a simple twist of the throttle will give you a nice boost or pedal assist function to keep you from getting tired on your 10 to 20 mile ride throughout the city. Our city tour lasts for about 90 minutes and covers 10 to 12 miles, while our signature tour is a bit longer, up to 3 hours, covering up to 20 miles and allowing for some more stops along the way in the beautiful city of Pittsburgh. Protected bike lanes, river trails, and lots of cool places to explore on our tour. Even a stop on an island with the signature tour. Downtown will be at Point State Park, 36 acres, right where the two rivers converge in the middle of the city, a beautiful confluence. So, stop down. Let us take you out for an electric bike tour of Pittsburgh with Adams Solar Rides. Try an electric skateboard and ride One Wheel Plus while you're here too.